ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬರೋದು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅದು?
ಹಾಂ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬರೋದು.
A meet and greet with the celebs. The Dreamland Rainbow Rex only at Phoenix Mall of Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment is here for which all of us have been waiting for. A warm welcome to the Dreamland Rainbow Rex launch right here at the beautiful Phoenix Mall of Asia. Bring in the Dreamland Rainbow Rex. Go for it. This. Please tell us how's your experience of being a part of the Dreamland launch with Rainbow Rex at Mall of Asia?
Oh, it's been very nice and this is beautiful. It's a really beautiful installation. I suggest Phoenix, please get this to Bombay. I think our kids in Mumbai would want it too. And it's going to be really nice. We're going to get in a lot of crowd there. It is seeing something so impressive and massive. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of crowd. And Bangalore is lucky to have such an amazing place.
Thank you, ma'am. Always a pleasure, ma'am. Now, please invite Ms. Devina Banerjee to please come forward. Ma'am, I must tell you, your daughter is a princess, Princess Jasmine. How does it feel to be here? Please tell us.
It feels fantastic. And it's a pleasure to the eyes of the kids. I mean, you can see it from the road. And they just wanted to be near. And now they're so happy seeing Baranyana. How big is it?
Also, ma'am, tell us how does it feel to be at Phoenix Mall of Asia, one of the best in India?
It's really big. And so whenever you come, wear your sports shoes because otherwise you're going to kill your legs.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. Ladies and gentlemen, let us please welcome Kishwar Merchant on stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the fight with the rock star who we loved in Big Boss. Kishwar is here, and let me tell you, Bangalore loves you. How does it feel to be here? Please tell us.
Oh, it feels great. Also because I have come here for an event, and the event has something to do with kids, and I have a kid now. So मैं पहली बार उसके साथ travel किया है, for an event, so it just feels very nice. And thank you so much, Vandana and Phoenix, of course, for having us here. We love it. You can see how much he's enjoying. मुझे लग रहा था confetti blast होगा, so he'll be scared, but clearly not. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me please invite Neha Bijrani on stage, please. A very warm welcome, ma'am. I must tell you, I love all your vlogs. Fantastic work what you do. And Bangalore especially enjoys. How does it feel to be here? What do you have to tell us to all the people of Bangalore?
It feels amazing. I think the kids are going crazy already. And thank you, Vandana, and thank you, Phoenix, for inviting us. And I think we all are going to be have some fun. And it's amazing. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Like in Bengaluru, we say Swagata Suswagata. Warm welcome to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me please welcome Chandana Sharma. A very, very warm welcome. As in Kannada, we say Yellarigu Namaskara. Thank you, thank you. Please tell us, how's your experience here being here today at the Dreamland Rainbow Rex and the Mall of Asia?
I think everybody said enough, and it's a beautiful mall, and the whole installation is extremely beautiful and so exciting for the kids. They all are having such a wonderful time. So thank you, Vandana and Phoenix, for having us here.
Always a pleasure. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last but never the least, the one and only. Please put your hands together and welcome Vandana Sajlani. Woohoo! Ma'am, namaskara. It's always a pleasure to have you here with us. Well, you've been so instrumental in bringing along the lovely celeb moms here. How does it feel to be here today, and how does it feel to be a super mom?
Hi Bengaluru, hi everybody who's here and who's been a part of this wonderful setup and making this, oh my god, this is gorgeous, there's no word, you love it? Yeah, so yeah, it's been great, and my association with Phoenix has been almost 15 to 20 years actually. I have done like almost 30-40 events with them. Out of that, 10 events have been all about mommies and babies. I started doing a lot of mother and kid events, particularly because ever since I got my son, I look for opportunities which have interactions and fun element for the kids. Nothing can be as fun as this, and we want this in Mumbai. Are you hearing us, Phoenix Malls? We want this in Mumbai. And thank you to all my lovely friends who have been a part of this. Tejaswani, Udita, Devunya, and Neha, Chandana, everybody, Kishwar, all of you have been super moms. All of you have a journey. All of you have multitaskers. You have hats off. Let's do one big round of applause for all these super moms.
With Phoenix for so many years. So every year we create this holiday land in Phoenix, Market City, Whitefield. We have tied up with Universal Studios in Singapore. We have tied up with Toki Toki. This year we have done Trolls there. But Mall of Asia just started in October, and this year we thought, what do we do in Mall of Asia to attract our little kids during vacation? You don't have many places to go to sometimes to take kids out. We created this huge stuff, which is it's all developed in Germany. Nothing is done in India. It's all developed there. And this was the ideation had come almost say 6 months back. It took almost 2 months to create this, and 1 month to come to India and get installed here. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, media, for taking out time and coming. And now, please come inside and enjoy, everyone. Thank you.